So we hit 1,000 subs, and I'm not usually one to commit to shit, but for that, what I'm gonna offer is I'm gonna film at least once every day. I'm not gonna upload every day. I'm not gonna make a video every day, but I promise I'm gonna film once a day. Let's see what happens to that. To some of y'all, this is probably not anything exciting whatsoever. But I think for the first time in my entire fucking life, I might have half decent fitment. We'll see once this is like lowered to see, because there's still adjustments to be made. That will fucking rub, no doubt in my mind. That will rub. So that needs to be adjusted. You can be mad at me, but it's gonna go up probably like an inch. And that quarter needs to be rolled, but I don't know how to do that, so I need to find someone else to do that. Or just fucking send it, who cares. But this, they're actually flush with the fucking body. That's so crazy. So I gotta raise the back about an inch because it'll rub, and the front's probably gonna get lowered an inch. Don't worry, this is it sagging because the suspension isn't loaded, but it still needs to be lowered about an inch. Rear has to come up a little bit, front has to go down a little bit, and then we'll work on adjusting the e-brake cable. The spacers switched, and we had to replace the stud in that process because one broke. correctly set up the rear coilovers and remove some of the collars that we didn't need, and so the ride height actually sits proper. They may not even be blown, they just were set up incorrectly. Hella stupid. Adjusted the ride height in the front and set up the coilovers correctly. Tested and adjusted the e-brake, it might actually work, and did the first oil change on this engine since the swap. Shame on me. But yeah, got more shit going on. Do the algorithm things. Thanks for watching, guys.